Good day everyone, I'm Joyce Garcia Belonio and this is my presentation about Project 2. Let's proceed in the objective of this project. The objective of this project is to equip students with the knowledge, skills, and leadership mindset necessary to establish and manage the labor union effectively. Then I came up making a union called United Voices Labor Union or UVLU. So ito pong union na ito is nagbibigay ng karapatan or ng boses sa bawat manggagawa sa mga karapatan nila sa kanilang mga katrabaho. Ito pong union na ito is nakakatulong upang ipahariting ng mga manggagawa yung mga saloobin nila sa gobyerno upang maipagtanggol ang karapatan nila, maibigay ang dapat na meron sila at mga karapatan na hindi nila natatamasa. Let's proceed on the mission and vision of this union. Mission. Our mission is to empower workers by ensuring fair treatment, advocating for better wages, working conditions, and fostering a sense of solidarity within the workplace. We aim to create a supportive democratic environment that uplifts every member and guarantees their rights are protected. Then the vision of this union is, our vision is to build a world where every worker is valued, respected, and treated with fairness and dignity. We strive to be a leading force in the advocating for workers' rights, ensuring safe and healthy, just workplace for all. So makikita niyo po dito sa mission and vision natin na isa lang po talagang kagustuhan ng union na ito. Ito po ay may maging boses po tayo ng bawat manggagawang Pilipino. Justify this union. Forming a union protects workers from unfair practices, ensuring fair wages, benefits, and safe working conditions. It provides job security, a collective voice in decision-making, and the strength of solidarity to address workplace issues. Union empower employees to negotiate for better outcomes and create a stronger and unified worker. Bakit ko nga po itinatag itong union na ito? Itinatag ko ito sapagkat gusto ko maging boses ng bawat manggagawang Pilipino. Gusto po ng union na ito na matulungan ng bawat manggagawang Pilipino upang matamasa nila ang mga karapatan nila sa kanilang mga trabaho. So, ito pong union na ito ay magsisilbing boses ng ng mga manggagawang Pilipino pagdating sa Kongreso at sa harap ng mga gobyerno. So, makikita rin po natin na ang union na po ito ay isa sa mga may kagustuhan na ayos ang mga pasahod, benefits, at ang pakikitungo ng bawat employer sa mga employee upang walang makaranas ng pang-aalipusta at pangkakawawa po sa mga trabaho nila. United Voices Labor Union is a industrial union. An industrial union organizes workers based on the industry in which they work, rather than their specific crop or trade. United Voices Labor will be an industrial union representing employing across various sectors within the same industry, allowing for a broad coalition of workers with shared goals. Let's proceed on the key issue of this union. The key issue is to negotiate with management include fair wages, benefits including health, retirement, and paid leave, and safe working conditions. We will advocate for job security, fair treatment during layoffs, and employee rights such as protection from harassment and transparency in promotion. Additionally to that, we'll focus on work-life balance, reasonable hours, flexible scheduling, and access to training for career development. Lastly, we'll push for fair job classification and equal pay across all employees. So, ito pong union na ito ay tutulong sa mga manggagawang Pilipino upang matamasa po nila yung mga karapatan nila pagdating po sa pagpasok hanggang sa pag-alis po nila doon sa kanilang mga trabaho upang makuha nila yung mga kailangan nilang kabayaran katulad ng mga wages po nila, hourly wages, yung mga benefits po nila katulad ng health benefits, mga retirement fee po nila na makakasigurado po na tayo na sa kanila po talaga iyon at dapat nilang makuha. Lastly, I'm Joyce Garcia Veloño, running for president of the United Voices Labor Union. My objective is to lead with integrity and strength, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions and robust benefits for all members. I will advocate for workers' rights, job security, and a voice in a decision making while fostering a unity and solidarity to achieve a fair and just workplace for all. This is the end of my presentation about United Voices Labor Union. Thank you very much. I hope you like it.